How to send a delayed text on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messages on your Android device. Here, click on the chat and then click on text message at the bottom. Type in what you want to send and hold on to the SMS button, which will open this page. Click on Pick Date and Time. After that, select Date and then press on Next at the bottom. After that, you will need to select Time and then press on Set at the bottom again. After you're done setting the time, you can simply click on SMS button again at the bottom right corner of your screen and your message will be sent on the actual time. This is how to send or delete text on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.